announcement. 5:30, gising na kayo. 5:30 dapat mag-exercise na tayo dito. Okay? Ha? Tapos na tayo yan? Ha? Dali lang. Basta ang sabi ko, 5:30 dapat nandito na tayo, physical fitness. Pwede ka muna hindi maligo. Kasi papawis ka pa eh. Okay, bigay ko na kayo kay Ma'am Caranza, kay Tita Terenia. Okay? Okay.
Anak, may papaintindi ako sa inyo ha. If you are a Girl Scout and you go into camp, you go into training, you are going to, you are far from your comfort zone. Wala kayo sa bahay nyo. Ibig sabihin, dito matututo kayo maging independent. What if walang tubig? Can you stand? If no ang sagot, mag-isip-isip ka. Are you ready to become a patrol leader? Why? Sabi nga, di ba? Do not think of yourself. You are away from your comfort zone. So you have to discipline yourself. How can other members support you if you cannot do it for yourself? So it's the start of